Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best air ride compressor you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many air ride compressor and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each air ride compressor so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying an air ride compressor. First, focus on the compressor's capacity and duty cycle, as these determine how well it can handle continuous use and maintain consistent air pressure. Next, pay attention to build quality and materials, since strong construction ensures long-term reliability and protection against heat or corrosion. Noise level is also important, especially if you prefer a quiet ride or often travel at night. Additionally, check compatibility with your air suspension system to avoid performance issues. Another factor is the compressor's speed and recovery time, which affect how quickly your system refills air. Finally, consider warranty and brand reputation to ensure you get dependable support and replacement options. Choosing the right combination of performance, durability, and efficiency will enhance your driving experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.